Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing this 34 Ford Street Rod. This is a model that we picked up not too long back. Bought it off from eBay. I believe I paid $8 plus shipping for it, if I remember correctly. So it wasn't too bad of a deal. You can find some good deals on eBay if you set your filters to what you want to pay, and if you don't go outside those guidelines. What I've done is I've set up a little bit of an area for filming, for doing the unboxing. My reason for doing that is I'm going to start doing like a storyboard so I can do like shop cards and stuff. I don't have a dedicated shop yet. I just do things at my kitchen table. But with all of the other stuff in the background, it makes it hard for the camera to focus in on like close-up shots. So I feel like this is much more helpful in terms of getting the smaller parts in better focus, especially for the people that watch on their cell phones. I'll take your feedback on what you think about that. So getting right into this model, and we're looking at an AMT issued model, the number 6686, if you're interested in looking that vehicle up, or that kit up. There's a little look at the rundown that you get on the box. It comes with, according to this, it comes with a small block Chevy, 383 cubic inch. Like it's got Mercury wheels, Pontiac tail lights. Let's see here. It says it's got over 100 parts with a 4-speed transmission. Here's a picture of the things you can do with it. I don't know what this is. I'm not the first owner of this vehicle, so if somebody took that off there and put a marking on there, I don't know what it means. So right out of the gate here, we got the interior glass. And the glass also has the headlights up inside it. You don't have to be disconnected in order to be put into the car. It's got 4 nice street tires with it. And nice flat tires. Nice wide tires for performance. And it looks like we're looking at Goodyear Eagle tires. The chrome tree is still in the package. I'm not going to unpackage it. You've got your rims over here, hubcaps, you got your front grille insert, your headers, looks like your bumpers, probably your windshield surround, coilovers, valve covers, air filter here, and some other miscellaneous parts. I can't really see that well. You got your headlights. Probably some sort of torsion bar type of thing, I guess. Maybe the drive shafts, I don't know. We'll set this over here. Pretty simple parts tree here. You got the bottom of your car. It looks like this is probably a battery box right here. The suspension components, probably front and rear right here. Straight pipes, looks like they're going to go out the back. Probably the rear end. Maybe some sort of housing right here. Drive shaft. I believe those were drive shafts that come out. So it looks like the side. So the chrome tree here. These are probably drive shafts that come out of this. Nice little steering wheel here. Guessing this is some sort of a coolant hose. Your steering column. Got a loose fender insert. Got your engine halves and transmission halves. Cylinder heads, intake, fan belt. Looks like it's going to have an electric fan. Carburetor. Wheel inserts. Like it comes with horns. License plates. You got your radiator right here. I don't know what this piece is. It's pretty decent looking decals. Doesn't come with license plates. Pretty basic instruction manual. Good illustrations. Then we've got the body, which I always like to leave the bodies for last for my unboxings. You got your dash, your hood, side for the hood, the other wheel insert, all your fenders. For this, you got your interior tub, your seat. Guessing the back window insert. I don't know what this is. Not really a ton of detail on that interior tub. But that's okay. We'll figure out what we're doing with it. Go from there. Then you've got your body, the main body. Pretty good thickness. Probably going to have to scribe out the panel lines just a little bit. Kind of small. Like it. Up with a nice color for it. Paint it out. It's got that same marking under here. Must have been somebody's initials. Maybe this come from a household where there was multiple model builders. Who knows? But got 3 hinges on the doors. Kind of hard to tell with this because the whole body is like got that nice swoop to it. But I mean, it doesn't wobble back and forth. I guess we'll figure it out when we build it. That'll conclude out this unboxing. I would appreciate it if you followed along to the end, if you would give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. If you have any comments, leave me a comment in the comment section below. Go ahead and join our Facebook group where you can list up your own photos of your own models, and you can put some videos up of your own model building if you want. And until we see each other again, everybody out there be safe and everybody be blessed.